this. So from the bottom of our hearts, we say thank you. We love you and we are proud to be your children. It is the time to give back the love, care, and thanks to you, our dear parents. We are absolutely thankful to all of you. Thank you for all the sacrifices. Thank you for waking up these children. Thank you for being the present parent. Thank you for providing all their needs, even if it was hard for you. Some of you are far from your family. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. We hope you, parents, grandparents, and guardians, all of this. Dear graduates, I request you to hug your parents, your grandparents, and say thank you. And we love you. Anak, ibigay ninyo ang inyong mga letters sa inyong mga parents. Ang sulat po na yan ay ginawa po nila during our spiritual retreat. Nung sinusulat po nila yan, umiiyak po sila. Kaya po, pasensya na po kung may basa, luha po nila yan. Opo, pakibasa na lang po ang kanilang